People no be small thing o. They say that Ikenga Uruagu don come outside come confirm say that the gentle the Yahoo and the John makeup don buy. As he talk that now one video come outside for social media come dey tell us say the angel makeup still dey alive. And for that video angel makeup still mention say still dey alive, but people dey say na old video, which I go play una make una use una hand judge this matter whether na true abi na lie. Abeg, before you start jump inside comment section to comment, watch the full video from beginning to end. They say that Hope Uzodinma don bring Operation Udogachi and Andako for inside Imo State for so right now as we dey talk with the place where they dey call Ekototo.
Ikenga Uruagu, and today ewetamono another classic exposition, and this exposition may take 10 to 15 minutes because some of you now find it difficult to understand. Imana, you so much believe nanda no one oba ise na hana zo nwelonwe the self-acclaimed freedom fighters. It's not all about freedom. It's all about how you will a place below the hitmen of that place. And because of that, they can go to any length to make sure they bring down anybody who will form or position him or herself as a stumbling block. And another thing about now most of these sympathizers that be for online are saying, oh, I'm not part of the struggle, but I'm just a sympathizer. Most of them bought camps owner. Okay, now I know where camp. Only people that owns it. And these camp owners, most of them live in diaspora. And today, I'm going to expose everything so you will understand what is really going on. I told you people, now Zuma bo Onyisi gentle and Zuma see from Mokiwe. Mbe Zuma mo gentle take you over. Some people can go, oh, Afro gentle, Afro gentle, Afro angel makeup, Afro angel makeup. Now this voice note in Chepolo now. You will then be your own judge. Again, what they decide. Kajento adendo, Kenje makeup adendo, Konodirondo. Because only the Kuopua bo one of their top leader. And another thing, you give one a sponsor very soon. And let me use this opportunity to thank His Excellency, Governor of Imo State, Governor Hope Uzodinma, for investing much. When I say much, heavily in security. And you are doing excellent job. Only that you talk less and you put more action. And I also want to thank Ola of Tiger Base, all the tigers in Tiger Base. You guys are doing amazing job. Yes, I understand. Ununu decided on Amanda shows everything on social media, but I can assure people that you guys are doing excellent job. And also our security guards, those of them, Benetiti, all of these work. You guys are amazing, and I can only say, keep it up. Now, I want you to listen to this.
Hello.
Boy, how far?
When is the power?
Yeah, how are you? Men on ground, how are you doing everything there? I had wanted to send a little thing through my boy to you guys, but I'm getting a very, very disturbing story that that to the extent of killing 4 of our men, 4 or 5 of our men. I heard 4, I heard 4 or 5. I don't know what happened.
Can you hear that? If Abo, their sponsor, those I call the camp owners. Most of them live outside Nigeria. Or one of the camp owners, when I draw, na ha weta story, na ha na ebuli koto where, and if I be finished just a few weeks ago, how 5 of their members, and Khalifa Bunsubu, Nando Kiwe, Celebe, Afozi Gentle, Afozi and Jemeko. Nando Kiwe ga continue, Ibu the leader. Wa Nande Ebonyi State, Nande Enugu State, na champion lo Ibu mad, say no, no their turn to lead. Ndi Imo State is no bear, no more guys who happen nye Ebonyi State, Mobonye, Enugu State to lead. Now, Egotako no all about fighting for freedom. Egotako that these people are not even fighting for freedom. They are just common criminals who are grabbing territories. And they end up buying each other. They buyed 5 of their members. Ebanazo, Kelonye Gabo, Onisi. I want you to keep listening.
Open door key bell. Doki when I so Laura. Can my brother and Laura na Laura can make a head man. Opacorano Yobla. On Doki Bay. When you were to have him on this maybe. Maybe through here. Oh, Zuma. Zuma, Onyoki, Bonomo Kibe. And Zuma. Genta tapasinato iwonyishi asoke kama ebe Zuma wonye onyokibe ke onyokibe replace Azuma man eme here I know with na no ni mo be camp no umuchekokwe camp is very active mba ha no road wonyishi okwesi o second in command but because Zuma no there Genta na kwa there Ashoke Gentle Wuro second in command. Oh Zuma no road we no ihu oru. O ya bu ihe niile isi. And the zoo terrorists mahabra bataka mpo. Oh Zuma wonye gbara ha recall nacha hebe ha. Oh no road we gburu ha. Nacha hebe ha.
Can you hear that confession? Number Nigerian military their camp. No load. Jidel military officers. Busia Nalaewa. Now, let me ask you, who is still sympathizing with these people, do you now agree with me that these people are not fighting for freedom? Do you now agree with me that these people are just common criminals? Do you now agree with me that these people are TT people? Nda media, no road. Jidenda mi bucha nala yego. Obuza manda mi chiyata. Either search for their guns. Ibido tibe manda mi na abatane busisinda ka adiota. Do you now understand it? Now, I want us to continue.
Now, gentleman, I'm a politician actual gentle Moyama Ebono. I know I'm gas if I am man, I got singing ebe gentle no more than the one. My way I should like that man. Ebe gentle no road, when you question second in command to gentle. But the only the makeup would you know there. Oh my god, now special.
On inspection from the state command, Aguna Chamber, on Iseke, on inspection by the directive of the governor. We are here on ground, seeing things talk for ourselves. You know, one day Iseke, see how Batawolo, as far as Ogoruku Iseke, Udo Achigo. And anybody I put a hakita, anybody I put any more here, Bia surrender. Njidonya nne na nne asinam no surrender. And only asinam na no jikwe surrender no judgment. Anybody wude enwu obi surrender. And onye mara nwa enu ni mo ya. Izu ka na agu. Onye obana enwetere afa ya wo sorry. Sara. Asi ni mo ya puta. They have rendered us useless enough. Yes. Look at a very big market. For Iseke. the large like this. Trailer 20 in a load, they shut it down. Oh, so that's a trailer. And as I have here, and they be in trucks. And as I had I hear everything. They want to slaughter market here, and they go here. They run here. Then you got the other side of Iseke. If we have live cows, okay. The other side, beside the Uruagu, na side the my okoko, my plantain. You need nobody see an akko. Other markets supply to this place for international. People they see not are they here. I don't know was all the business women and the men on here. They should come back.
Commander Sele. Commander Sele. Commander Sele. Commander Sele.
I am alive. And ever ununaga in the land of the dead. Uchunu there.
We are those people that was rejoicing that Angel Makeup and Gentle Yahoo are no longer alive, that they have been captured by the Nigerian army, they have been by the Nigerian army. I want you all to calm down and watch his recently video that he just posted yesterday, telling the world that he's still alive. Those that are spreading rumors and fake news, this video is for you. Watch the video.
It is still on notice that after the exposition, deka mbachara nde arondi zogo politicians now over meeting Hammer Nisi and Jamaica and Nisi Biafra Liberation Army. Now I am here now also informing you that they have directed the DSS to come down to Obinetiti to begin to kidnap and hijacking youths and the people of Obinetiti. Ndi Moko, Ndi Akemo Huchu, Ikpo Okori, Ndi Njoko, Ndi Bechuku, Ikpe Enyi, Ndi Amazo Ikpo Ocha, Ikpo Oji, with Ndi Moko, Ikpe Zemba. So they are now planning to bring Nigerian terrorist army, Nigerian DSS, Nigerian civil defense, Bubago special force, Tiger base, and the Asari Dokubo boys. They are planning to bring them down to Obinetiti, so that they will stay in Obinetiti to kill Biafrans residing at Obinetiti. And I am now bringing this update for the people of Obinetiti, the PG of Obinetiti, the PG, the government of Ndakeme Ohuchu, the government of Ikpo Okori, the government, the PG, the chairman, the youth leaders. I am now mandating you that you should be security conscious, because they thought that Angel Makeup is in this axis, but they don't know that Angel Makeup is an angel. Angel Makeup is not in those axes, and they want to come in the name of they are looking for Angel Makeup and his and the Biafra Liberation Army, so that they will begin to kidnap and carry around this Zog youth, and whosoever around this Zog youth they catch now, hata again now Ebubago, hata again now Onyo Mama, hata again now agent of informant of Angel Makeup. Please, I want the people of Obinetiti to be security conscious. I want the youth of all youths to be security conscious. If you are not man enough, it is better that you leave Obinetiti for now. If you cannot, oh yeah, no Obinetiti. There is war that is coming. The enemies are bringing war into Obinetiti, into Ndakemo Yutu, Ndi Ikpo Okori, Ndi Moko, and Ikpe Zemba. All these axes to Ndamaso Ekpocha. So they want to bring war. They want to kill our people. So for your own security, and it is my own duty to enlighten you of what is on ground now. So I am mandating everybody in that axis now to be security conscious. If you are not man enough, please kindly leave that area. But I assure you that the gods of our land, the will not allow the enemies to penetrate our communities, and the Fulani can never penetrate our communities. and it is on notice that it was Uchenna of Ndaniche Obiletiti that is leading these terrorist people now to kill their own people, and they are planning to station in the family house of Uchenna Okeke at Ndaniche Obiletiti. So they are coming to kill. They are not coming against Njemekop. I want you to understand, they are not coming against Njemekop because they know that they cannot see Njemekop, that Njemekop is not in that axis. So they are coming to kill you, to arrest you. So don't say that Njemekop didn't give you this information. Why I am angel is because when I saw things in the spirit, it is my duty to tell you, for you to be security conscious. The vampires, the enemies are coming to devour you. Don't say that Njemekop didn't warn you. Obiekune and Zumes and all the political leaders of Arondi who want to conduct election, this is their plan. So that they will come in order for them to do the election. But what I want to tell you, that dear friends all over the world are watching. The gods are watching. But for my head, you cannot see me because I am not in that axis you are looking for me. I am alive. And in the land of the dead. Be security conscious, my people.
My people, now so we see more. Now we see more bring and conscious. I bet me share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section.